Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News NE. Director General Air Operation Air Marshal A.K. Bharti today asserted that Operation Sindoor that was launched on May 7 was India's fight against terrorists, not against Pakistan militants or civilian population. Here we are bringing you the full details. Operation Sindoor targets terrorists, not civilians. 9 sites struck across Pakistan and POK. April 22 attack triggered Indian response. Indigenous systems boosted missions. Precision success. Future welfare needs adaptability, Bharti warns. Yes, viewers, Dr. General Air Operations Air Marshal A.K. Bharti today asserted that Operation Sindoor launched on May 7 was a precision counter-terrorism mission, not an act of aggression against Pakistan's military or civilian population. Addressing a high-level media briefing in New Delhi today, Air Marshal Bharti made it clear that the Indian Armed Forces remain focused on neutralization terror infrastructure with strikes meticulously aimed at the 9 specific sites across Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Our fight is with the terrorists, not the Pakistan military or civilians. That distinction guides our targeting approach, Bharti stated, underscoring India's calibrated military posture. The operation was launched in retaliation to the April 22 terror attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, where 26 civilians, including one Nepali national, were killed. Bharti emphasized that the strikes were executed with surgical precision deliberately designed to avoid collateral damage, reflecting India's technological edge and strategic discipline. Air Marshal Bharti also highlighted India's growing self-reliance in defense, pointing to the successful development of the indigenous counter-drone system and enhanced coordination among the Navy, Army and the Air Force. These developments, he stated, he raised the benchmark in modern military preparedness. Looking ahead, Bharti warned the future conflicts would bear little resemblance of traditional warfare. He described modern battles as dynamic cat and mouse confrontations that demand continuous innovation and adaptability. Here is what Air Marshal A.K. Bharti have stated.
दोस्तों, हमारी लड़ाई आतंकवाद और आतंकवादियों के खिलाफ थी। इसलिए 7 मई को हमने केवल आतंकवादी ठिकानों पर ही हमला किया था। पर अफसोस इस बात का है कि पाकिस्तानी सेना ने आतंकवादियों का साथ देना उचित समझा और इस लड़ाई को अपनी लड़ाई बना ली। इस परिस्थिति में हमारी जवाबी कार्यवाही अत्यंत आवश्यक थी और इसमें उनका जो भी नुकसान हुआ वे खुद इसके लिए जिम्मेदार हैं। हमारी तरफ से हमारी एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम्स देश के लिए दीवार की तरह खड़ी थी और इसको भेदना दुश्मन के लिए नामुमकिन था। This brings me to the point, how have Indian forces managed to minimize the damage to both civilian and military infra in the country in spite of the unrelenting efforts by the Pakistani forces? दोस्तों, हमारी लड़ाई आतंकवाद
Yes, viewers, Air Marshal A.K. Bharti of Director General Air Operations reaffirmed today that Operation Sindoor was a calibrated and precise counter-terrorism operation specifically targeting terror infrastructure in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Speaking at a high-level media briefing in New Delhi, party clarified that the mission launched on May 7 was not an act of aggression against Pakistan military or civilian population but a necessary retaliation to the deadly April 22 terror attack in Pahalgam that claimed 26 civilians' lives, including one Nepali national. He further asserted that the Indian Armed Forces' commitment to maintaining moral and strategic clarity even in conflict situations. He detailed that 9 specific locations were chosen for the operation, with each strike designed to deliver maximum impact with zero collateral damage, emphasizing the sophistication of the mission. Bharti stated that the operation demonstrated India's technological edge and strategic discipline, highlighting the use of indigenous counter-drone systems and heightens synergy among the Army, Navy and Air Force. Bharti also projected a shift in modern warfare, causing that future conflicts would be vastly different from traditional wars. Describing them as a fast-evolving cat-and-mouse scenarios, he stretched the need for continuous involving and strategic foresight to stay ahead of emerging threats. Here is what once again Air Marshal A.K. Bharti have stated.
दोस्तों, हमारी लड़ाई आतंकवाद और आतंकवादियों के खिलाफ थी। इसलिए 7 मई को हमने केवल आतंकवादी ठिकानों पर ही हमला किया था। पर अफसोस इस बात का है कि पाकिस्तानी सेना ने आतंकवादियों का साथ देना उचित समझा और इस लड़ाई को अपनी लड़ाई बना ली। इस परिस्थिति में हमारी जवाबी कार्यवाही अत्यंत आवश्यक थी और इसमें उनका जो भी नुकसान हुआ वे खुद इसके लिए जिम्मेदार हैं। हमारी तरफ से हमारी एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम्स देश के लिए दीवार की तरह खड़ी थी और इसको भेदना दुश्मन के लिए नामुमकिन था। This brings me to the point: how have Indian forces managed to minimize the damage to both civilian and military infra in the country in spite of the unrelenting efforts by the Pakistani forces? दोस्तों,
that's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News Any.